Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching.
In this video, I'm going to replace a couple of the window rollers on the window regulator on this S70. These things have good regulators. They almost never go bad. Usually the rollers wear out and crack. So this car, the window's not coming up evenly. I'm going to show you how that goes and show you how to replace them. So you roll the window down, goes down fine, but coming up, it doesn't like to come up all the time. It'll come up kind of cocked to one side or something. Heck, it seemed to be working fine now, but it's been acting up. Let me make sure this is the window that's acting up, my daughter told me, and get this thing taken care of. My daughter did verify that it is this driver's window, so I'm going to go ahead and pull the door panel and take a look at it and replace these rollers. Alright, if I go halfway down, I can see the tip of the window there, and when I try to go up, you see it shifts back. So it is shifting back and forth a little bit. Not real bad, but you want to get it before it gets bad. So I'm going to take the door panel off. If you haven't glued your door panel together real good, you need to be prepared to do that. I like the contact glue that I used in one of the videos. Man, I guess she's been closing up her seatbelt in this thing. Pull this screw, take a clip puller around it. Pull this off here. Be careful you don't break the tabs in that. Which looks like all of those are already broke. So take this ring off here. That holds the door panel on as well. There should be another video that talks about door panel removal. And then pull the door panel off and roll the window down to where you can access those two rollers. This is what the plastic guides rollers look like. That's the part number you need to replace them. Let me get started. With the window down about 2 inches, you can see here that here's the window, and that plastic guide is totally gone. Next, took the 4 screws out of the door handle, accessed the other regulator roller from that panel, and the one up here is still there. So you can replace one or both, it's up to you. If I pull this out, I can go ahead and pivot and take the whole window out and get it both of those guides. Pulled the window out. The one that I thought was okay is broken, and the other one, for some reason, is there, but the regulator popped out of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace both. Get a screwdriver up here, pop this up, slide that out, and this one just slides out one of these ends, and replace those. Looks like these 2 tabs go into the roller there, keep it in the position, one of those 2 spots. So put that in there like that, and then slide the roller in. And then I'm gonna get that one out, slide one in there. That one locked in at that position. These 2 tabs up here locked in the frame, so that roller stays stationary. This one back here rolls around, so you can grease that one when you put it in. I used to pull those pins out to get the regulator snapped in there, but I'm sure that is not necessary. Popping those things in will push in right through those pins. Those pins will expand. So line those up, squeeze them, snap them in place right past the clip rings. Next you can hook the switches up, make sure it rolls up and down fine, then put the door panel back on. If you have these things loose, use some contact glue or something, get those glued back on for yourself, and get your door panels secure. That thing broke off, so be very careful taking it off, which I was. So it was already broke, finished it off. The window goes up and down, no problem now. Need to clean this grease I got on there, and that's that. So door panel's not on good. It's a waste of time even taking one of these door panels off without the contact glue. So make sure you get the contact glue before you even pull this off.
If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.